Hi guys, good day. This is Sheila Remores from grade 11 Pasto. So for today, since I don't have a group mate in this activity, I will discuss to you the advantages and disadvantages of fuel wood and LPG. But first, we have to define what is fuel wood and LPG. Fuel wood is the wood that is harvested from our forest lands and combusted directly for the usable heat in the residential and commercial sectors and powered in the electric utility sector. Fuel wood refers to various forms of wood that are used as fuel for cooking, heating, or for drive steam-powered engines or turbines for electric generation. While LPG or liquefied petroleum gas is the term that is used to describe two natural gas liquids, propane and butane, or mix of the two. Propane and butane are chemically quite similar, but the difference between their properties means that they have particularly suited to specific issues. These are the advantages of using fuel woods. Fuel woods is a renewable source of energy, meaning that if it's taken care properly, it can be used over and over again. Traditional fuels such as natural gas and oil are finite, meaning they can be depleted. Traditional fuels such as natural gas, oil, and electricity have a great global demand that is ever increasing, making them more expensive. Using firewood will cut your dependence on these traditional fuels, thus saving you to spend money on cooking and heating. And it will lower your utility cost also. It is a blazing fireplace creates ambience and radiant heat unlike anything else. Purchasing it locally sourced firewoods supports your local economy. Burning firewood is a carbon neutral and does not contribute to global warming. Allowing wood to rot on the forest floor releases the same amount of carbon dioxide as it does when the wood is burned properly. So these are some of the advantages of using fuel woods. Moving forward, here are the disadvantages of fuel wood. Burning fuel woods or firewood leads to deforestation also. Burning of fuel woods can add poisonous gases to the environment. It causes air pollution. Incomplete combustion of it produces carbon monoxide gas. Dangerous if left unattended. It may create fire and destruction of property anywhere. Next is the LPG. As I said earlier, LPG or liquefied petroleum gas is used to describe two natural gas liquids. It's propane and butane, or mix of the two. Here are some advantages of LPG. LPG cannot be tampered with and hence its purity is maintained. It lessens your kitchen temperature. Cooking with LPG is certainly not a hot and humid affair. A stove gives out really less heat compared to other cooking gas. It's a swifter cooking. LPG can cook quicker than any other available alternatives and has a huge calorific value. And it's easy to handle. It's easy to manage with instantaneous on and off. Initiation, as you twist the knob, it offers better control. When you cook, as you can regulate the flames as per requirements. And it is efficient. LPG is an energy-rich fuel source with a high calorific value. It can be up to 5 times more efficient than traditional fuels, resulting in less energy wastage and better use of our planet's resources. It is also versatile. LPG is a clean-burning, sustainable, and efficient fuel and a vital source of energy for hundreds of millions of people throughout the world today. It is a multi-purpose energy with literally thousands of applications. It is portable, can be transported, stored, and used virtually anywhere in the world, and there are sufficient reserves to last for many decades. LPG also shows lower greenhouse gas emissions than petrol, diesel, and electricity on an energy equivalent basis. So, these are some of the LPG's advantages. However, LPG also have its disadvantages. First, storage and safety. It is highly flammable. To store LPG, you require very sturdy tanks and cylinders. The gas must be kept pressurized to accommodate in 274 times lesser space. And it is more expensive. It is costly. It is obviously not economic friendly. Poor households would rather look for fuel wood because it is way cheaper than spend hundreds of LPG. And also, it needs regular maintenance. LPG boilers and gas stoves also need regular maintenance to ensure that they are running efficiently. And lastly, it causes suffocation. In case of leakage, as it is heavier than air, the risk of breathing the air from the leaked LPG is fatal. So that's it for today about my topic about the fuel woods and LPG and their advantages and disadvantages. But before that, I have my conclusion that the comparison between the two fuel woods and LPG shows that each energy source has its own specific advantages, inconveniences, and limitations. However, they should be considered jointly within a comprehensive intersectoral energy strategy that provides an effective framework for government. However, every one of us has a different status and choices in life. What is important is that we don't take advantage of LPG and fuel woods, that we should handle it properly for us to be able to use it every day and for our future. And that would be all, and thank you so much for watching my video.